All right, so the goal of this video is to show you how you can actually create an ad out of your WhatsApp business status. Let's say you had posted a status on your WhatsApp. It may be a link from your YouTube channel, and then you want to boost it. So now how can you do that? So here we go. You go to status. Now automatically there is a button from which you can actually boost your status. So you click boost, and this will actually bring up this page. So you click next. All right, so now here we go. You can add the description. Okay, so the description will be all about what you're boosting. So you can say past paper. Let me capitalize this. Past paper based revision. Past paper based revision. So you can say intensive past paper based revision. Yes, intensive past paper based revision via YouTube and Zoom. Okay, so that's what the business is all about. Intensive past paper based revision via YouTube and Zoom. So you can say save. So from here we can now click next. So now they're saying log into your Facebook account. Come on. Alright, so now let's enter the login details here. All right, so now we can yes, I continue as Elisha. It's loading. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, so now there's an estimated reach of 5,125 to 14,000. So budget and duration, $2 a day over, and that will be $10. And so the targeted people, so $10, that will be 14. Okay, so you can say next. So now here you can actually change the payment method. So we can now create an ad. Congratulations, your ad is being created. And now we are done. So we can now go back and check how the ad is performing later on from Meta Ads. So Meta Ads is this one here. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, so beautiful. So there is this other one which has been running. When that other one now gets approved, it will actually show up here. So friends, that's how we create ads. Okay, now let's take a look at how this ad has performed over a couple of, let me show you the number of people who have texted me so far. Okay, so here we go. Just after I created that ad, all these numbers which have no names are numbers which have actually been contacting me as regards the same ad that I created. Uncountable, right? That's how effective those ads can be. They'll actually prompt people to text you, and you're going to have a couple of people whom you're going to convert into customers. All these numbers you're saying. How powerful ads can be. Uncountable, right? Check out. Are you doing any business online? I'm urging you to go ahead and create an ad, a Facebook ad, and it's going to lead people to you. They are going to actually text you. Thank you so much for watching.